friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you how you can make vegetable spring rolls at home. So let's see what are the ingredients we need to make this recipe. First of all, we need 1.5 cup of grated carrots, spring onion greens, capsicum and 1 boiled potato, that is optional, black pepper, salt according to your taste, 2 chopped green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies according to your taste. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 chopped onion in lengthwise, and we have here vegetable spring roll sheets. These are the ready-made ones and these are very thin also, and you have to cover it with the damp cloth all the time. We need soya sauce and we need oil for frying. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add onions in it, stir it about a minute, and after that add capsicum in it. After adding, stir it about a minute, then slowly we have to add all the vegetables one by one. Carrots, stir it again, and similarly add potatoes. Mix it well. Now add green chilies, black pepper and salt according to your taste, and now cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Spring onion greens, mix it well and cook it about 2 to 3 minutes. Add soya sauce and mix it well, then again cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after that switch off the flame, cover it and let it cool down slightly so that we can stuff it nicely and easily. Take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespones of water. Mix it well. Make sure there is no lumps in this, and we need this type of consistency for this paste. So now next, our mixture is ready, as you can see here. Now we have to remove the sheets. These are very thin, so very careful while removing or separating from each other. Take 1 sheet and add 2 tablespoons of mixture. Like so. Now apply this all-purpose flour and water paste that we have made earlier on all the sides of this sheet and fold it like so. You can use the brush also, but I prefer using my hands. Now apply one more time on the folded corners. Then fold it like so, giving slight pressure while folding, and if you see any opening, just apply more paste. Now I am showing you here another filling, how you can fill it so that it's clear to you. Again fill the mixture. Apply the paste on all the corners by pressing with your fingers. Now again apply the paste nicely. We need a thin coat of it. Now slightly fold it first like so, and give slight pressure and fold nicely and tightly. If you see slight opening like this, just apply this paste and seal it nicely. So here is our one vegetable spring roll ready. Similarly, I am going to fill all my rolls like that. Here I have done filling all my vegetable rolls. Now in a pan or kadhai, heat up some oil and add one by one vegetable rolls. Heat has to be on the medium to high heat. Fry it until golden brown and remove it on a kitchen towel or tissue paper so that it will soak excess oil. Similarly, I am going to fry all my spring rolls one by one like so, and remove it on the kitchen towel or the tissue paper so the excess oil will soak by the tissue paper. Here is my all fried vegetable spring rolls are ready. You can serve it with tomato sauce or green chutney. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this recipe.